2. Look how much they got done. This is really amazing. Let's see. So yesterday they finished connecting all of the water and sewer, and they're starting to form out the concrete pad. Now take a look at how high this is going to be. That is the top of the concrete. So in the front we're going to be doing a flower bed similar to the one farther down. Oh, what's happened to my camera? Farther to the one down there. So here you see the edge of the concrete pad, and then there'll be steps coming out of the house, and we'll be making a concrete pad in the front. We had to take the trees down, unfortunately, but they'll be planting new trees and it'll be beautiful. So they cleaned up the neighbor's yard, and she was very grateful because she's kind of elderly, and it's a great help to have some strong men helping. Our tree crew was here, PSD Trees. That's our nephew. So here you see the back of the concrete pad, which is going to be much lower. So that string in the ground, if you can see it, is what will be the top of the concrete pad. So there's a lot of concrete in making the foundation very firm. Back in this corner we'll be having the shed back here, and you see all the utilities in the ground over there. Let's take a closer look. So this is really a very intricate process here. It's a beautiful, quiet, sunny morning, and I believe all the bees are gone. I'm not going to go any closer, but we're really pleased how this looks. This is really a great start to a new house. And there you have it. There's our new signs. I went out and got those. It's Dolan Homes, manufactured homes, site work, setup, installation. DolanHomes.com. So give us a call if you're interested. We'd love to build you a house in your manufactured home community. So that's the last of the look here. The guys will be here soon at 7:30 in the morning, Thursday, September 12th. Stay tuned as we continue to build houses for people. Thanks for stopping in. We'll catch up with you again and keep posted on what we're doing here.